Is your furnace sounding like a haunted house? It's not being dramatic, it's warning you. This is what some of these noises actually mean. Number 1, banging. Everyone thinks banging is just old ducts. Well, it's not. Whenever your furnace makes a banging noise, it usually means pressure is building where it shouldn't. It could be the metal expanding, air slamming into resistance, or late ignitions. Think of it like slamming your brakes at full speed, over and over again. A good trick is to check your filter. If it's clogged, change it and see if it happens again. If it does, turn the system off and get it checked by a professional. Number 2, whistling. When you hear whistling noises from your ducts, it doesn't mean your furnace is bored. It means that air is being forced through spaces that are too small. It's like your furnace is breathing through a straw. Do this. Check every supply and return vent. Make sure nothing's blocked, and replace the filter immediately, even if it's slightly dirty. If the sound pertains, it's likely duct restriction or sizing, and you should get it checked as soon as possible. Number 3, rattling. If it rattles, something is loose, period. Panels, screws, blower components, it could be anything. Ignore this and these rattles will turn into wear, and wear turns into failure. It's kind of like driving your car with loose lug nuts. You don't hear the problem until the damage spreads. Immediately turn off your furnace and inspect visible panels. If some screws are loose, tighten them and call a professional if it doesn't stop. Number 4, clicking. Repeated clicking is never normal. It usually means the system is trying to ignite or cycle but failing. Relays, sensors, control boards, something isn't connecting. Here's what you can do. Count the clicks. 1 or 2 clicks at startup are fine, but repeating cycles are signs that something is wrong. If the furnace shuts off after clicking, stop resetting it. And don't try to fix it yourself because electrical issues only escalate quickly. So which of these noises are you hearing? Comment below.